Honourable members, in the case of the member for Wajir County, the Honourable Fatuma Gedi, my guidance was clear to the fact that all she was required to do at the time was to table documents regarding the allegations that she had made on the floor of the House on 12th of April 2022 in accordance with the requirements of Standing Order number 91. The issue of Honorable Fatuma Gedi, you will recall that on the material date, that is the 14th of April 2022, the Honorable Member did table several documents, and in particular, attempted to make fresh and further claims and then sought to substantiate them, instead of simply tabling the documents as required. Ordinarily, the standing orders require a member providing evidence in substantiation to a matter claimed in the House to do so within the next sitting day. Given the seriousness of the claims that the member for Wajir County had made on the 12th of April 2022, the Speaker was sufficiently magnanimous, having granted her 2 days to comply with the standing orders. Whenever a member is required to avail evidence to substantiate a claim already made, the sequence of events is that he or she tables the evidence, the Speaker confirms authenticity and admissibility before any member proceeding to make further reference to the paper laid or to use them as evidence. Indeed, there is also the same sequence in a judicial proceeding. However, the Honourable Member failed to comply with this requirement. The Honourable Member therefore forfeited the opportunity to do so as set out by the standing orders. In view of the foregoing, the matter is spent in terms of standing order number 91, and there shall be no further substantiation by the member or debate on it. Honourable members, with respect to the documents that were tabled by the Honourable Fatuma Gedi, I note that they consisted of newspaper printouts, photographs, and certified court judgments, or a self-written statement by the Honourable Member, and other uncertified papers. In particular, I note that the court judgment did not bear any certification, and the documents tabled did not also relate to the claims made before the House by the Honourable Fatuma Gedi. Hence, their content lacks a nexus with the claims she made in the House. In this regard, therefore, Honourable members, I rule that the documents are inadmissible for failure to meet the threshold set by the rules of admissibility that I have outlined above. Consequently, I direct that the documents tabled by the Honourable Member during the sitting of the House on 14th of April 2022 be expunged from the records of the House forthwith. I also direct the clerk to return the documents that the Honourable Member purported to table to her at an appropriate time. To this end, the matter is spent in terms of standing order number 91, and there shall be no further substantiation by the Honourable Member or further debate on it.